Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll explain the most common Roblox errors and show you how to fix them fast. Step by step, so let's get started. First, error 256 means Roblox detected suspicious activity or connection issues. Sometimes corrupted game files can also cause this problem. Reinstall Roblox and remove any third-party tools. Error 260 means Roblox servers are not responding correctly. This mostly happens during server outages or maintenance. Wait a few minutes and try joining again. Error 261 appears when Roblox cannot connect to the game server. Server downtime or network problems can trigger this error. Try using a stable internet connection and relaunch Roblox. Error 262 means Roblox failed to send data properly to the server. Bad internet connection or firewall issues usually cause it. Restart Roblox and check your internet settings. Error 264 happens when Roblox detects your account running on another device. This can happen if someone else logged into your account. Log out from all devices and change your password immediately. Error 266 appears when your connection suddenly gets interrupted. Weak internet or Roblox server lag can cause this issue. Restart your router and reconnect to the game. Finally, Error 267 means you were kicked from the Roblox game by a script or admin. This usually happens because of cheating, exploiting, or game restrictions. To fix it, rejoin the game and avoid using VPNs or mods. So that's it. If you like this video, then like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for updates.